What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to mine Tari on the XT box to Kryptex and get paid in Bitcoin. So we can see the balance stored is in BTC. So what you got to do is make an account and stuff. Link will be down in the description to Kryptex here, and actually coming into the Tari here for the SHA-3X algorithm, we can see that DX pool is 93.7% of the known hash rate because people are just lazy on setups. They do the one-click setup, or maybe them just turn them on and they're just default mining to gold shell. I don't know, but we can see they did drop their pool fees from 5% down to 2%. But here we can see Kryptex is the second place pool. It was actually third place previously when I first started getting the XT box, but it looks like hash rate's coming off and it's moving to Kryptex. Maybe it's for that Bitcoin mining, but yeah, you can convert to fiat, you can convert to stable coins, to Bitcoin, whatever you want, but I am utilizing Kryptex here. So we're coming into the Kryptex pools here. I'm going into my dashboard. We're going to hit connect here, and then we're going to go directly, and then we're going to choose our coin. So I do got to find Tari here. Can I just type in? Nope, it looks like I can't type, so I got to find in Tari or XTM right here. XTM SHA-3X. We're going to click on that. Select the region here, TCP or SSL. So I am going to go with North America, and then this is our pool address, and then we're going to put in enter miner username. So this is going to be my username. It should be here by default type of thing. I'm just going to click on this for my username, pool address, this. So actually I'm going to go that first. Cancel that. We want a pool address first. So now I'm going to come into my gold shell miner. Click on that. I'm going to add a new miner here. URL, you can see here's the default where people are probably just, okay, I'm using DX pool, put in my info, good to go. Same thing with Lucky Pool, good to go. But we're not doing that. Plus this has way too much hash rate on it. So we're going to put our URL in right there. We're going to go back in, get our miner name, enter miner name right here. So this is like my Kryptex wallet address followed by my worker name. So we're going to hit that, come into our miner, paste that in there. And I'm going to call this XT box. XT box like so. Password, I'm just going to go with an X here. And we are going to apply those settings. And now I'm just going to move that to the top of the line here. That way it will begin mining here. Green, there we are connected. Everything is good to go. Now it should start mining to your account, and then you can convert to whatever coin you want. So in order to get your payouts, here you just come into the payouts tab here on the left. And then remember, everything is stored in Bitcoin amount. So now you're just going to select, we're going to select Bitcoin. You want to get paid on that. You want to get paid on a Lightning Network. You want Litecoin. You want Ethereum, Tron, Kryptex merch. You want Amazon gift cards, Visa or MasterCard, I guess. PayPal, USDT, USD, all these options are available to get paid out in. For example, here's USDT on the BEP20. Say you just want Bitcoin, because a lot of people just want Bitcoin. So I select that. Here's the Bitcoin amount. Here's how much you receive. Just put your Bitcoin wallet address in right there and request a payment, and you will get that amount in Bitcoin. So very simple process here. All right, it took about 5 or 10 minutes, but when I go to hardware here, we can see we are detected with our XT box and everything is working as should. It does say our profitability is currently at $396 a month, $12.79 per day. It just started, so it's going to have to gain all those averages and then adjust to what everything is looking like on the network. So this should pick up a bit, but we'll see how much depending on, how big the network goes. But this is just a quick video on showing you how to get up and running to Kryptex, add more decentralization to the Tari network for SHA-3X and the XT boxes, and then allow you to get paid out in Bitcoin and a few other coins as well. So hopefully this video did help you out. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.